welcome back to Divine Times 2. Today, I want to share with you chopped turkey cheese vegetable mini sandwiches. These sandwiches are delicious. You could take them to a party, to a picnic, a get-together. You can make them now for the upcoming holidays. I'm excited to show you how I make these mini sandwiches. So let's get started.
First thing, let's chop a head of iceberg lettuce. You could use any lettuce you like, for example, romaine lettuce. But I find that the iceberg lettuce gives these sandwiches a crisp, fresh flavor, which I really love.
As I'm chopping the iceberg lettuce, I want to let you know that this is my sister's recipe, and it's absolutely delicious. Now that the lettuce is chopped, I'm going to add it to the salad spinner and wash it. The iceberg lettuce is washed and dried. Now let's add some cucumbers. I'm going to add these 3 cucumbers. I'm going to peel them and chop them. Chop a tomato and add it to the salad bowl. This is what it's looking like now. I've added the tomatoes on the side. Now it's time to add some pepperoncini. These are pickled pepperoncini, and I cut them in half, took out the seeds, most of the seeds, and I'm going to chop them. If you don't like pepperoncini, you don't have to add it to the salad. Remember, you add or you take away whatever ingredient you like. You make it your own. To add some color to the salad, and of course, flavor. It's all about the flavor. I am adding some chopped red onions. Remember, if you don't like this, if you don't like onions, you don't have to add the onions. But it adds a wonderful flavor to it. You can add as much or as little as you like. These are cheese curds. Now I am going to chop up the cheese curds and add it to the salad. If you don't have cheese curds on hand, I had this and I said, why not? Let me add it to the salad. You can buy a block of any kind of cheese you like. Cheddar cheese, Munster cheese, Gouda cheese, any cheese you like, add it to the salad. I'm going to get these cheese curds and just cut them in small bite-sized pieces. Now for the turkey. This is honey roasted turkey breast. And I like to add half of it. Half of the turkey breast, and I'm going to chop it and add it to the salad bowl. Now I'm adding some uncured salami. Now let's add the salami to the bowl. it's about a 1/4 cup of chopped salami. If you want to add more, you can. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, the turkey, the salami, the pepperoncini, the cucumbers, the tomatoes, and the cheese. And of course the red onions. But we're not done yet. Wait until I show you what's next. Now I'm going to add ranch salad dressing. This is my homemade salad dressing. You can use any dressing you like. And if you don't like any salad dressing, you can add a little bit of mayo and mix up the salad. But homemade ranch dressing is delicious. And I have a video for this ranch dressing recipe, and I will link it to this video. Now, if you're not going to eat the salad right away, wait until it's ready to eat to add the salad dressing. Okay, but we are ready to eat this, so I'm adding the salad dressing now. Stir the salad dressing. All right, so let's mix this up first. Start off with a little salad dressing. You don't want to overpower it with the salad dressing. If you see it's too dry, add a little more. In this case, I am adding a little more. Now, if you don't like red onions, you can add spring onions. If you don't like the pepperoncini, you can add a green pepper or red pepper. They're both delicious. I've tried all of them. Now, this looks very good. I don't think it needs any more salad dressing. I think it looks very good and delicious the way it is. Don't you think? All right. So no more salad dressing. That's it. And this salad dressing is delicious. It's absolutely wonderful. So when you get a chance, check out our recipe for ranch salad dressing. It's awesome. Now I have these little brioche rolls, and just add some of this delicious salad in these rolls. That's it. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? Now remember, this would be great for a picnic, a get-together. The weather is still quite warm. You could even take it to the beach. I'm going to try the sandwich. Chopped turkey, cheese, and vegetable mini sandwiches. Can't wait. This is excellent. So fresh, so delicious. Everything complements each other. The salad dressing, not too much, just the right amount. The freshness of all the veggies, so good. The salami gives it an outstanding flavor. It is so good. Guys, you need to try this. This is amazing. So great for for any time, for the holidays, a picnic, you go to the beach, a get together, a birthday. Everyone is gonna love this. This is so good, and you can make it your own. You can change the veggies that you add to it. You don't need to use turkey, you can use ham. The possibilities are endless. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love these mini salad sandwiches. They are so good. And if you don't want to eat it on bread, you can eat the salad by itself. Hope you give these delicious turkey, cheese, and veggie mini sandwiches a try. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give us a thumbs up and stay kind and positive. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.